What is up, guys? Welcome back to Team Tech, and today we have an unboxing of the Microsoft Surface Go for you guys. And I'm not trying to waste any time. We don't have anything else to talk about, so let's just get right into the box here. This is pretty much the base model, 4 gigs RAM or Go RAM, and we have the 64 gigabytes of internal storage with a gold 4415Y processor. Not that much power for a fully specced out, well, not fully specced out, for a decked out Surface product, but this is meant to be the cheaper version of the product. I really do like that product art on the front, like birds. Let's get right into the box here. Let it slide down. And right at the beginning, we're presented with the tablet itself. This does not include the keyboard, so you do have to purchase that separately. That's about $100 accessory or $129 accessory, depending on which one you buy. The black one, normally I can find for $100. But if you want something like the magenta or the blue one, then that's going to cost you a little bit more. So for the first accessory we have here, I believe, is the charger. Yep. All right. That'll be the Microsoft Surface proprietary charger we have here. And then next in the box, this is some paperwork. Let's just run through this. Just some quick start guide stuff. All right. Is there anything else in here? Oh, just the frame of the box itself, and that seems to be all that's in there. So pretty minimal included accessories. You just get the tablet, the charger, and some paperwork. So I'm gonna put this box back here, make it nice and neat for myself later. Alright. Let's see if we have any charge. How does one go about powering this bad boy on? Oh, just a power switch on the top left-hand corner of the screen. Don't want to take this out the plastic wrap just yet because I'm on the fence about keeping this. I might sell it later down the line because, mind you, this is the, I'm not actually sure how many inches this is. How many inches is this? Oh wow, this thing's only 10 inches. Mind you, this right here is the iPad Pro, the second generation one. And this thing, pretty much, the screen is pretty much the exact same size as, yeah, it's bigger. It's bigger. Look at that. The screen is bigger than the entire tablet, and that is a pretty chunky bezel on this 10-inch tablet. But then granted, I guess you do need somewhere to place your hands in the event that you want to use it in tablet mode and you don't want to dock it. Enough of a comparison aside, this thing is just sliding all over the table. Look at that. Alright, with that comparison aside, let's get into the setup a little bit here. But before we do that, let's get into a little bit of an overview, alright, of the connections on the screen. Actually, wait, I might have to take this plastic off either way, because I've heard a lot of good things about this kickstand right here, and I'm kind of interested to see the quality of it that everyone's been talking about. Oh wow, that's actually a really sturdy kickstand. Like, really sturdy. Like, there's no, well, aside from the moving on my extremely slippery desk, there is no no like flex when you're typing or anything. Who types up here? Yeah, it's pretty good. It's a pretty good extent. Let's be using it like this. All right, let's get into the setup. Wait, no, not the setup. Keep forgetting overview of the ports. All right, so right side, you have your little lip for adjusting your kickstand here, and then there are little magnets up in the top portions up here inside the grooves themselves, so they can just like click to the base and not move around at all, even though this is a pretty sturdy stand. Like, I doubt it would have moved around even if it didn't have magnets. You got your speaker grill right here, even though it does look like there are front facing speakers right here in the top corners around here. So that's not an SD card, right? Okay, yeah, I'm not. Thought I was messing around for a second. Now that does seem to be a speaker grill. We got a Type-C port right there, a headphone jack, and wait, is that it? Got your camera, but there's really only one port on this entire. This is a Windows machine, right? Yeah. This is a one-port device, just Type-C. Interesting. Well, Type-C does offer a range of different connectivity options, so you could get a whole bunch of USB ports out of that one port, but still, like, no legacy ports at all. That's kind of Apple-esque right there. All right, let's get into the setup here. See how fast we can get this.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Yeah, those are definitely
a little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
I don't hear any volume coming out of this.
And if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator.
Oh wait, I think I might be trolling.
Let's dig in.
Apologize for that. I'm pretty sure that's the Surface Connect dock feature right here that discharges.
Your region is set to the United States.
Sorry about that. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's most definitely just the dock feature right here to charge the tablet.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
I'm just gonna mute Cortana and then I'll speed through this right here. Skip. Welcome to the best Windows ever. Check out the features below. I'm not even gonna bother with you, Edge. I'm just gonna immediately install Chrome, just because I already know you're getting replaced with a Chromium browser anyway. Alright, let's get this in my hands. Alright, Google Chrome. I feel like I'm gonna have trouble overviewing this tablet until I get the keyboard accessory with it. So until then, I think I'm just gonna. Oh, it saved my wallpaper. That's cool. Oh, it comes with like Microsoft Word too. Oh, okay. So this could definitely be useful for like school. I'm a college student, so I could definitely benefit from something like this with Word. But even though like most of like almost like if not all of my applications are basically Google Drive based nowadays, since they stopped including Microsoft Word, Windows 10. Now I have to pay for it, even though I do have a few Microsoft Windows Outlook keys going around. In fact, I'm gonna do an impromptu giveaway of a Microsoft Office key if I can find it. Yep. Alright, a little bit of an impromptu giveaway, but you know, just a little give back to early subscribers here on our channel. Let's see if it'll focus. Focus. Come on, you can do it. Okay, nice. And that's your key. Focus again. Alright. That's your key. Go ahead and do with that what you will. But I'm going to use that to end off this little segment of the overview and unboxing of the Microsoft Surface Go. When I do get the keyboard in for this, then I will jump into a full review. I will switch to it as my daily driver laptop for probably a couple of weeks. Give you guys my impressions and my opinions on it. But until then, I'm going to be signing out. To whoever got that key, congratulations. Now you have some Microsoft Office Word. Been Houston from Team Tech. Have a beautiful day.